Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the Drive API and creating an OAuth 2. Zero client ID so your app can ask for permissions. Once done, download credentials. JSON and install the official client library for your platform. This gives you helper methods and token management. Next, set a redirect URI and pick the least privileged scopes you need. Avoid full access if you only upload or read metadata. Then run the example auth flow to obtain an access token and refresh token so you can act on behalf of the user. Once you have tokens, integrate the flow into your app. Generate an auth URL, have the user consent, and exchange the code for access and refresh tokens. Store them securely. If you need server-server access, configure a service account and delegate domain-wide authority, then sign JWTs. Next, initialize the Drive client with credentials and test basic endpoints like files. List, files, get, and files. Create to confirm authorized calls. Make sure to handle token refresh automatically so calls stay valid over time. To finish, implement resumable uploads for large files and map native MIME types before uploading. This improves performance and preserves Drive previews. Then add permission management. Create, list, and remove permissions while following the principle of least privilege. Finally, include robust error handling, refresh tokens on 401, request broader scopes only when necessary to fix 403, and back off on 429 with exponential retry. If things go wrong, log request ID, inspect error JSON, and rerun the failing request after corrective steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.